Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're having a really good day today. One of the most popular cashback credit cards out there just got a little better. And that's saying a lot because it just got a little better before, too. The Citi Double Cash just announced a new sign-up bonus of $200. And this is for limited time only. So if you're looking for a real solid cashback card, now might be a good time to take a look at this card. And in this video, we're going to talk about this card and the changes that they made on top of this new sign-up bonus. If you're new to the channel, I'm Justin, and I like talking about credit cards and reward points to get the most out of life. If you like credit cards and you like reward points, you should give this video a thumbs up, and you should subscribe to the channel too. And then hit up the links down below for some credit card offers and a Rakuten referral link. Rakuten's cool because you earn cash back or American Express membership reward points on top of whatever card you want to spend it on to make sure you rack up a whole bunch of different points. So the Citi Double Cash card is cash back and offers 2% back on everything with no limits to how much cash back you can earn on it. Also has no annual fee. And it's kind of cool because you get to earn 1% when you make the purchase and then the other 1% when you pay the purchase off. So you get to see your points rack up a little quicker that way. One of the only gripes anyone's ever had with this card is that it didn't have a sign-up bonus. When you do have sign-up bonuses for cards like the Chase Freedom Flex and the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Those both have a $200 sign-up bonus. But now, Citi Double Cash, for limited time only, has a sign-up bonus of $200. And that $200 is after meeting $1,500 in spending. That's a little bit higher for some of these cards, the $1,500 minimum spend, but you do have 6 months to pay it off. $1,500 in spend spread over 6 months is going to be $250 a month. Quite reasonable if you ask me. And $200 as a sign-up bonus for these cashback no annual fee cards is kind of the going rate right now. Another benefit of the Citi Double Cash is that it offered a 0% APR on balance transfers for 18 months. So you wouldn't have to pay any interest on any debt that you transferred over to the Citi Double Cash for 18 months. Now there's a fee of $5 or 3% on that balance transfer, whichever is greater. You do have to make that transfer in the first 4 months of having the card, but there is some fine print that you need to be aware of. When you transfer over to the Citi Double Cash, if you make any purchases on that card, your grace period kind of gets canceled and your purchases are going to start earning interest right away on top of the balance that you transferred over. Both of those are going to accrue interest from day one without any grace period. So you really need to be aware of that before you transfer anything over to the Citi Double Cash. And just recently, Citi's made some changes to their ecosystem and their cards, where now the Citi Double Cash, it doesn't earn only cash back. It earns Citi Thank You points that can be redeemed for cash back in the form of direct deposit, a statement, credit, or even a check in the mail. But now that they're technically Citi Thank You points, they can be paired up with cards like the Premier card and transferred out to transfer partners. Citi Double Cash, it actually is able to transfer out to transfer partners alone, but you only have 3 transfer partners. You have Choice Privileges, JetBlue, and Wyndham Rewards. Choice Privileges and Wyndham hotel brands that are mostly known for mid-tier hotels, things like Comfort Inns or those kind of hotels that the high school basketball team is going to stay in when they have to go to the next city to play that other team. And then JetBlue is a low-cost carrier based in New York that flies around the United States and North America. I think there's a few locations in South America too. They also lowered the amount in points that you can redeem for cash back. Now you can redeem for 1 penny a point. So any points you have, you can instantly redeem them as however you want. instead of waiting up until you have $20 or whatever the limit was before. Now, we don't know how long this sign-up bonus is going to last, but it is a limited time offer, and they have had this offer before. But we can expect it to go away sometime in the future. If you're looking for a good cash back card and you want to earn Citi Thank You points, now might be a good time to get the Citi Double Cash, because not too many cards offer 2% back on everything. And then the fact that you're able to transfer out, if you have something like the Citi Premier card, makes this a really good idea. And having part of the Citi trifecta, if you will. That would be the Premier card to transfer out to the transfer partners, the Citi Double Cash, and then probably the Citi Custom Cash. Go ahead and leave a comment down below if you just signed up for the Citi Double Cash before they announced this little sign-up bonus. Then if you're still watching, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Then you can support the channel by hitting up those links down below. Then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.